Good morning. This is Mrs. Carr, and today's Friday. Friday. Okay, I know I said that on the other video, but like for real, it's Friday. So this is pretty awesome. Friday, April 17th, and here we go for your rundown. All right, guys. So continuing with our adding and subtracting with our decimals, you're watching this video here. You'll click on it, open it up. It's only 3.5 minutes long, so not too bad. Oh, oops, already messing up. So there's your video there, and then you're going to complete these practice problems. There's no other options. It says choose one, but this is it. There's no choose one on this one. This is the option. Luckily though, guys, this is pretty short, and what I really like about this one is that it's self-check. So read these directions up here. It tells you if the answer is correct when you type it in, it's going to turn green. And that's how you know if you got it right or not. And of course you need to like click enter so that, you know, you go to the next one and give it a chance to turn green. If it doesn't turn green, guys, if you click out of the box and it's still the same color, that means it's not right. Okay, so this is a self-checking problem. So these are pretty cool. And if it's not green, guys, then that means you need to go back and see if you can't find your mistake. Okay, but here are your answers. And so there's only 4 problems, so pretty short for today. So that's good news. And then from there, you have this problem solving board, and you can actually open this before you start doing your problems. And this is just a chart to help remind you of things to look for while you're completing your problem. And so imagining that scenario in your head, make sure you understand what's happening in the problem and what the numbers represent. Okay. Then for the last thing that you're doing today, excuse me, you're going to write your own word problems for these equations. Okay, and so what we'd like for you to do, this is going to be your discussion piece for today in Friday's discussion piece in Schoology. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up with 4 word problems for each of these, and then you're going to post them. I should actually already be on Friday, sorry, in your discussion piece that's here. And then what happens is after you post your word problem, then you're going to answer somebody else's word problem. So you guys can work on each other's word problems, and you can reply to them and see if you got your answer correct. So definitely make sure you're checking out these posts throughout the day so that you can reply to people who have answered your questions, and you can tell them if they're right or wrong. Okay, guys, so this is going to be a lot of fun, going back and forth and answering each other's word problems. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. And as usual, if you have not already taken care of your I need help or give me more options this week in case you need extra, then this would be a good time to do it. And then that is it for today. If you are replying, please make sure anytime you're putting something in the discussion post, make sure you're checking back so that you can see your teacher's replies. If you shared something, for example, I forgot to tell you, make sure you share this document. Once you share something, please make sure you are checking your email so that you can see how you did. Your teachers are responding, so please check your emails. And if you're not sure how to get to your email, then start going to your dashboard. They have the icon for your email on your dashboard. All right, guys. Oh, and don't forget, you can also ask your questions here in this message. That's it for today. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will see y'all on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.